250 years ago, an idea changed the world. No guarantee it would work. No map, no promise that any of it would survive. Just a handful of men with a dangerous belief and the will to sign their names to it. And from that single moment came everything. The iron roads that stitched the continent together. The machine that finally taught us to fly. The moment the whole world held its breath and watched one of us walk on the moon. 250 years later, we are still that country, still the ones who show up when the horizon needs pushing. Impact 250 is a roundtable where the frontier builders of the future will discuss the next 250 years. The builders, the dreamers, the venture capitalists, and policymakers, the ones who will be argued about in history books, will be at Impact 250 for the greatest event in this modern century. The frontier moved into the mind of the machine, learning to think into a car, navigating a city with no hands on the wheel, into a robot taking its first steps towards something we don't even have a word for yet. And those at the Impact 250 Roundtable will define it.